Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to quickly and freely turn Steve from Minecraft into a cute plush toy using neural networks. Let's get started. First, open the website chatgpt.com in your browser. Go to this neural network, click sign up to register via email or Google account, or click login if you're already registered. A free account will be more than enough for us. Next, right here. Upload your photo. Make sure it's a portrait style image. Then, in this area, paste the command for the neural network. It's called a prompt. You can copy the prompt text from the video description below. Wait a little bit. And here's the amazing result we get. Awesome! Look how adorable Steve turned out. You can download this photo. It's unique and your own creation. You can also turn any other favorite character of yours into a plush toy. Write in the comments who it is. Awesome. If you follow my instructions, you'll be able to do it too. I'd really appreciate a like on this video and a subscription to the CyberGuideTV channel. Thanks in advance,